Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set ringtone in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to the settings. Go to settings of your phone here and then go to sounds and vibration here, and here just select ringtone, and available ringtone will be showing here. Okay, these are all the system ringtones. Okay, Galaxy bells, glassy bell, has, home, coming, ice cubes, these are all the pulse, reflection, these are all the system available tone. Okay, just so you can pick up any one, and what you picked, that will be set as ringtone. Okay, suppose if you would like to set any custom ringtone, what you have to do is click on this plus symbol and then give permission, and here you can pick up any song to be set as a ringtone. Okay, suppose if you have any music file in your local SD card or internal storage, all will be available here. As I have purchased it new, and I don't update my phone with many files, so I only see here one thing. Okay, there is only one file. Okay, suppose if you have many songs that will be listed here, just you can pick up that. Okay, if you pick up that, and after that you have to click on done, and that will be set as ringtone hereafter. Okay, so in this way you can easily set a ringtone of your choice. Okay, if suppose if you have inserted 2 SIM cards, you can set ringtone for each SIM card. Okay, here I have only one SIM card, so it's showing only one. Okay, one option is showing. Okay, so if you have inserted 2 SIM cards, set ringtone for SIM 1 and SIM 2. If you click on ringtone, there it will ask SIM 1 whether it is SIM 1 or SIM 2. Okay, so in this way you can easily set a ringtone of your choice, whether from your system available tone or custom tone. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.